Hyundai's bigger all-electric SUV largely undercuts rivals from luxury brands, but costs more than mainstream options. When it comes to electric vehicles, Hyundai is methodically working through adding models to its lineup where they make sense, rather than going all out trying to replace its entire internal combustion fleet at once. It also leaned hard into distinctive styling and driving fun, particularly in the Ioniq 5N Performance EV, and now it's going practical with the 2026 Ioniq 9 3-row electric SUV. And now we know how much the 9 will cost. The least expensive 2026 Ioniq 9 is the South Rear-Wheel Drive (RWD), delivering 335 miles of range and costing just $60,555. It gets a single 215 HP, 258 pound-foot electric motor driving its rear wheels along with the same 110 kWh battery as every other Ioniq 9. Along with the same charging capabilities of up to 350 kilowatts on a CCS DC fast charger. To get that capability, you'll need an adapter for the CCS plug, as the Ioniq 9 comes with NACS, the Tesla connector, standard. If you happen to choose a V3 Tesla Supercharger, you will nearly double that time waiting on a charge. The 350 kW RIP will take 24 minutes to reach 80% state of charge, society, from 10%, or from 33.5 miles of range to 268 for the RWD S, while the V3 Supercharger will take 41 minutes for the same society. V4 Superchargers should offer 3 times the speed, so that disadvantage should only be temporary as more are built. If you want more power, stepping up to a dual motor all-wheel drive Ioniq 9 will bring it. The first such version in the lineup is the SEAWD that starts at $64,325. Its second motor brings you another 88 horsepower, for 303 horsepower total, and only a 15-mile penalty in range, knocking it down to a still solid 320 miles. There is also the addition of a 8-way passenger power seat, the same seat for the driver is standard on the SRWD, and 1,500 pounds of additional towing capacity, 3,500 pounds for the SRWD, 5,000 pounds for all AWDs. Otherwise, the Ioniq 9 SEAWD is equipped exactly like the SRWD. You even get the same 19-inch wheels wrapped in 255/60ths R19 tires. Next up is the Ioniq 9 SELAWD that packs the same all-wheel power as the SEAWD and more standard features like 20-inch wheels with 275/50ths R20 tires, power folding exterior mirrors, H-Tex materials on the power front seats with ventilation, premium door sill plates, heated steering wheel with power tilt and telescoping, surround and blind spot monitoring, side and reverse parking distance, and rear collision warnings. This will come at a premium over the SE, ringing in at $67,920, a $3,595 difference between the two trims. If you want max power and aren't concerned about range, there is the Ioniq 9 Limited AWD Performance. At $72,850, you unleash 422 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque from the performance-tuned motors, while also sacrificing some range, which drops from the regular AWD model's 320 miles to 311 miles. You do get additional standard features over the SEL for this package with 21-inch in wheels on 285/45ths R21 tires. Glossy black and body color insert wheel arches, panoramic sunroof, second row power and ventilated captain's chairs, power folding third row seating, the Bose premium audio system, sliding center console armrest, and Hyundai's vehicle-to-load onboard charger in the cargo area. The almost penultimate Ioniq 9 is the Calligraphy RWD performance trim that comes with everything mentioned in the limited RWD performance trim, with more luxury-focused changes and additions like body color wheel arches, including the inserts, microfiber suede roof trim, a premium cargo sill plate, two-tone leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 10-inch heads-up display, HUD, second-row auto up and down windows, an FDM interior rearview mirror with HomeLink, Hyundai Digital Key 2, forward and side parking collision avoidance assistance, and remote smart parking assistant too. This comes at an $8,670 price difference from the limited RWD performance thanks to its $76,590 price tag.